Welcome to this video. We'll talk about conditions and if statement in particular. So when we are having a condition saying if something happened, then do this. If it didn't happen, do something else. And sometimes we have a combination of conditions, not only one conditions, multiple conditions. The result of a condition or a combination of condition is always true or false. There's no other options. Either it's true or it is false. In this example here, if the condition is true, we do process 1. And that's it. If it is false, we do the other process, which process 2. So it's a selection between two options. Either you go this direction or that direction based on the result of the condition. Let's take a simple example here. And here is an example where we declare x as integer and give it the value 100. Now we have a condition here. If x is more than 50 and we do something, display a message, say x is more than 50. Else, if it is not really more than 50, then we do another message saying x is less than 50. This is a very simple example. As you can see, there are two blocks in this example. One block is for true, when the answer of the condition is true. And the other block is for when the answer of the condition is false. Now, if we run this code, we will start by line 3, x equal 100. Now we come to the condition. Is x more than 50? Yes, 100 is more than 50. So the answer is true. In that case, we do this line, which we print on the screen as x is more than 50. And we ignore the rest of the code. But if it is false, we will jump directly to line 6, then to line 8. Let's look at another example. Assume there is an insurance company that provides a rate of 3.5% for cars with price value more than or equal 10,000 and the model is 2015 or above. Other cars have to pay 4.5 rate to be insured by this company. If we look at this statement, you will find there are two conditions. One is price value more than or equal 10,000, and the other one is a model of the car is 2015 or above. Let's look at the code. We declare a variable called insurance of type double. Then we use our scanner to create an object called input. And then we display a message on the screen for the user to enter the price of the car. And then we use the input object to get the user input from the keyboard. The same thing we repeat for the model of the car. Now we come and apply the condition. If price is more than or equal 10,000 and, you notice the two and there, model is more than or equal 2015. This is a condition that has two conditions, or if statement that has two conditions. And both condition has to be true because we're using and require both to be true. In this case, if that's true, we'll calculate insurance as 3.5% of the price. Otherwise, if it's not true, we'll go to the else and then calculate the insurance as 4.5 of the price and close that loop. So this is our code. Display the result at the end. Now let's see how we execute the code. If we run this code, we start from here, declare the insurance, come to here to create the object, then asking the user to enter the current price. The user will get on the screen, enter price of your car. the user may enter 10,000, assume he entered 10,000 there. And then the next question will come on the screen, enter the model of your car. So the user will enter the model of the car. And let's assume the user will enter 2015. Now we come to the condition. If price is more than 10,000, the user entered 10,000 and it's more than or equal, so it is equal, that's mean true, and the first condition is true now. The second condition, and model is more than or equal to 2015. The user entered 2015, which equal 2015, so both conditions now are true. And the result will be a true here. Then what will happen, we'll run this line of code which calculating the insurance, and this will happen in the computer memory. This is why we put it in yellow, and the insurance in computer memory will be calculated as 350. And then it will jump to the last line which display the insurance on the screen. Let's look at the example again by entering different values. So we go there, user enter the price, let's assume enter the same thing, 10,000. But for the model, let's assume the user will enter 2014. If you look now at this condition, there are two sides, as you said. The price is more than or equal to 10,000, true, correct? But the other condition saying and model is more than or equal to 2015. No, the model is 2014. So the second condition is not true. Given that one of the two conditions is not true, the result will be false because the and require both of them to be true. And in this case, it will jump to the else. It will calculate the insurance as 4.5%. Then it will display the results by going to line 20 and display the insurance as 450. So now we have understanding of the sequence of executing an if statement. Thank you for listening.